Hello friends, welcome in Technical Hut YouTube channel. Today we are going to make automatic straight light circuit using transistors. So first of all we will need some resistors. Then we will choose BC547 transistor from the list. Then we will choose one LED. We will select 5mm LED. Now we will select LDR. LDR is not available, therefore we will select 2-pin connector for the LDR. We will give the value LDR. Now we will select the VCC and the ground symbol for the power supply and negative in the circuit. This all components is sufficient the circuit which we are making. First of all we will connect these two resistors. Then we will connect the LDR with resistor, and another resistor will be connected with the another terminal of LDR. Now from R2 we will connect the collector of transistor, and base will be connected with the one terminal of LDR. Now we will connect the emitter with the ground and R3 with ground, and we will connect both R1 and R2 with power supply. Now we will save it with the name of automatic street light circuit schematic. Now we will create the layout of this circuit. Now we will arrange all of the components. The path of the circuit should not cross to each other. Each component should be separate. We are seeing here that the connector is little bit big, so we will select the pin heads in the place of this connector. So we will select 2-pin headers. Now we will put it in the place of connector. Yes, it's perfect for LDR. After the complete arrangement of components, we will start the routing, and we will select the layer with 0.04, and we will connect all the points to each other. Now our circuit is ready. We will go and display, and we will select 16, 17, 18 and 20, 4 options. It is our layout which you can see. This is the proper layout of the circuit. Now we will print it on glossy paper with